Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever the time zone you are watching this video, you already know my name is Aboiji 001. I've been in this financial markets for 1.5 year as a retail trader. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, shares, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first one to see our video when I drop the video. Happy New Year to all my fans. I really appreciate the support you gave me last year, and I still really appreciate the support you are giving me this year also. This is the new year. This is not about the educative video I used to drop, analysis video I used to drop. This video is only just to talk to ourselves about this year and to wish ourselves well about this year. I really appreciate you all. I appreciate all my subscribers and all the incoming subscriber also. I really appreciate you. This year will be the year of blessings, blessings upon blessings, happiness upon happiness, success upon success. This year is going to be our year. You and I you that is watching me and I that am saying it, this is our year. This is the year of success, the year of multiple blessings, the year of glory, the year of glory. We are we are succeed this year. I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to say. Only just to pray for us. I don't have anything to say. Only to say what we are. Only just to say that we should have belief and we should keep our faith. Let's stand because the road we are into, the road you and I are into, is the road of success. Is the road of multiple blessing. Because if your mindset is the mindset of the mindset of your if your mindset is the mindset that is not working for money. He want the money to work for him. So my brother, be patient. The journey you are is going to is a rough journey. The journey you are is up and down journey. It's not a smooth journey at all. Those people you are looking at the top, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Dangote, or the dollar, those two they have the road of their road is not smooth. If they if they call you and they sat you down and they begin to tell you what they face through this journey, you will say that you will say that no, this journey is a rough journey. So I and you, in this trading, we are going to succeed. In any other skills you are into, we are going to succeed. Just be just be disciplined and be motivated seriously. Nobody is going to motivate you. It's only you. It's only you yourself. You are going to motivate yourself. Because let me tell you something you don't know. Let me tell you something you don't know, my brother and sister, my family that is watching me. What you don't know that what you didn't know that you do not have any mentor. Your mentor is you yourself. You do not have any you do not have any mentor. Your mentor is you yourself. Let me tell you yourself. The what you are aspiring to be in the future is your mentor because it's the one that is going to be pushing you harder. Go harder. Don't give up. Don't give up. That's your mentor. But let me tell you, don't give up. Oh. But if you give up because you are going to be blaming yourself, when you give up of this one that is not working out, what when the second thing that you want to go in the second thing you want to do is to is process. Seriously, no easy way to success, no easy way to success. Oh, seriously, because the first one you want to live, that you are not going again. The second skill that you want to do seriously is a way also, is a process also. So let me remind you, let me tell you that stay patient, stay stay patient and be faithful that what you are doing is already working for you. What you are doing is already working for you. Let me tell you, what you are doing is already working for me also. Seriously, I don't have anything to say, my brother. I don't have anything to tell you. It's just keep the belief, keep the belief, keep the belief. We are going higher because this year is our year. You and I repeat again, this year is our year. It's the year of success. We are in the year of blessings, in the year of happiness for us. I am succeed. I am succeed. I am succeed. Seriously, we are succeed. Say also, you are succeed. I am succeed. As I'm saying it, you two are saying it. You to be saying it. I am succeed. I am succeed. I am successful, profitable trader, and any other skills you are into. I am succeed. I am succeed. I am richest. I'm richest. I am becoming. I'm not white. I am a winner, not a loser. I am the head, not the tail. I am up, not down. Seriously, and so shall it be for us. Because you yourself, it's only you that can say the positive word for yourself. Seriously, if you are in positive, or if you are positive, positive thing will be with you. Seriously, but if your mind set is negative, definitely you'll be killing down. But if your mind is positive, definitely you'll be rising every day. That you'll be rising every day. Nobody is going to danger you. Nobody is going to force you. It's only you that can force yourself. So this is what I have for you. Happy New Year, my fams. My name, once again, my name is Aboy001. Kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. See next week, I'm going to drop my video, my weekly analysis video. So thank you. Peace and love. Peace and love.